Hey friends, welcome back to the Chili Prepper Kitchen Garden. Today we're starting seeds hydroponically for the tower garden, which is honestly one of the easiest, cleanest, and most fun ways to grow your own food. So if you ever wanted to start seeds without turning your kitchen into a potting soil crime scene, this video is for you. Stick with me, let's go check it out. Here's everything we're going to need today, and don't worry, no advanced degrees, no magic spells, no NASA equipment, just the basics. Tower garden seed tray, rockwool cubes, your packet of seeds that you're going to be planting today, or multiple, but in my case, I'm going to do a whole tray of butter crunch lettuce. It grows really well in the tower garden. We love it, and our chickens love it. I find a little bit of fine vermiculite does help, but isn't required. Some water, and in the early stages I like to use bottled water because my tap water isn't the greatest, so it might be the good way to go. And your tower garden or whatever nutrients that you decide to use. You're not going to need much because at the early stages we're going to dilute it quite a bit. And that's it. Hydroponics is for people who like to grow, but also like clean floors. First thing we're going to do is get our tower garden humidity dome. Then you're going to want to decide how many plants you're going to start and cut your rock wool to fit. Then we're going to soak the rock wool cubes. A little warm water, a tiny bit of nutrient mix, and boom, they're ready to support a whole new plant family. Now, it's up to you on how much you add, but I would only add about a quarter of what it calls for if you're going to use nutrients. But straight water is fine at this point too. A seed has everything a plant needs to survive for the first at least few days of life. And let that soak for about 5 minutes. If you have a spray bottle, it does help to go across and spray in all the holes and just get the top nice and soaked in before you drop your seeds in. And then it's time to plant your seeds. Planting seeds are real easy. All we're going to do is take our seeds and drop a few of them in each one of these holes. It does come in handy sometimes to have a pen or something else handy. I like to move them to opposite sides of the hole so when they start to grow, if I'm going to thin them out, I don't have competition of the roots intertwining and I can just pluck them out of there. Then if you have vermiculite or perlite, now's the time to go through and just cover up all the holes with it. And it's debatable, but some say that it helps, some say that it doesn't. Then you can go through and just brush in any excess that you've got laying around. Put that lid on them. Give them warm light and check on them daily. After a few days, you should see sprouts. After they get their true leaves, they're ready for the big move, the plant version of graduating kindergarten. And obviously, these aren't the same seeds that I just showed you. I started these a couple weeks ago, but here's what you can expect after 2 to 3 weeks. And now seems like a good time to tell you, you have an amazing opportunity. We're only a few days away from Black Friday, and just like everyone else, Tower Garden's running their deals too. Click on my link below and it'll take you to the Tower Garden website where you can get Black Friday deals on almost everything, including $125 off a full Tower Garden unit. Now this part is so simple, it feels like cheating. First, take a look at the roots, something you can't do with soil. Hydroponically, you can really see how healthy that plant is. then all you're going to do is just slide it in whatever net pot it is you need another plant in. Or if you're planting a new one, you're going to populate the whole tower garden. If you enjoyed this, hit the like and subscribe button for me. And if your seeds sprout faster than mine do, I fully accept bragging rights in the comment section down below. Let me know if there was anything you would add to this video. And remember, you don't have to be a prepper to be prepared. And I'll see you on the next one.